here we are. Where are we, Lady?
We're in Miami at the Sofitel.
Yeah.
Beautiful. We're having our first martini in the United States of America in 2008.
And what are you doing right now?
I'm getting Ginny and Mike's cell phone number so I can phone them and let them know we're here.
Okay. And
sure
what is this, Lida?
That's a guilt trip.
Okay, Lida, you got to be truthful on this.
What?
Okay. You said that you didn't mention that you're having a martini.
I did. Oh, I did in my blog.
Yes,
Check in
but
the
I'm
blog.
I'm talking to you. Now,
Yes,
isn't
I'm
this
having a
beautiful
martini in Miami.
Okay, and then what is this? Your computer? You're staying in touch with the family?
The family that's talking to me anyway.
Yeah. There you go. You should put that up. Who are you sending that blog to? Everybody?
Everybody.
Including your mama?
I never gave her the link. But she probably has it.
Maybe you should we'll say over and out now.
Over and out.